Hello, my name is James and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking or camping. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let me show you how we do this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. For our first step, we're going to lower the exhaust, but first I'm going to use a support strap to hold it up. Now I'm going to use a 13mm socket to lower the exhaust on the driver's side. On the passenger side, I'm going to use exhaust pliers to remove the rubber hanger. For ease of installation, we removed a third rubber hanger right above the axle. To make this installation a little bit easier, I'm going to go ahead and widen the access hole a little bit using a step bit. The access hole is the forwardmost hole on the frame rail. We're going to repeat the same step on the passenger side. So what we're going to do is we're going to feed our fish wire through the rearmost hole and forward into the access hole, pulling it out of the access hole, screwing the bolt and block on that wire and fishing it back through the frame rail and out the rearmost hole. For the forwardmost hole, we're going to do a reverse fish wire where we stick the bolt and the spacer block into the access hole first, and then we're going to pull it back through. Now we're going to repeat the same process on the passenger side. To raise the hitch into place, I will be using the U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend that you grab an extra set of hands because this hitch is heavy. Now I'm going to feed the fish wire through the access holes on the hitch. Now I will pull the bolts through the hitch. Now I'm going to remove the fish wire from each bolt and put the nut on. I'm going to torque the bolts to manufacturer specifications, which will be in the link below. For the rearmost bolt on the driver's side, you're going to probably want to use a crowfoot for the torque. With the crowfoot, we're also using a 6 to 8 inch extension. The last step we're going to do is raise the exhaust, but we have to use the provided M8 bolt for the exhaust hanger. Now I will raise the rest of the exhaust to the 2 remaining exhaust hangers and remove the strap. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle to level ground so we can show you a couple of important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. The distance from the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 6 inches, and the distance from the ground to the top of the receiver is 13 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. That concludes the installation of the hitch on your Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.